at the boys from school.
Yeah.
And then, I'm gonna do my cooking later.
Hello.
I'm just putting what
Good.
What did you do in the school?
I did exercising and I walked around the playground.
Oh.
Like I was like there.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm hungry.
what?
I'm hungry and I got a haircut.
Subway now.
Yeah, always hungry.
And
Why? Why they're always hungry when they come back from school?
goodbye.
You want some chicken? Yeah, that's chicken. Do you want? Which one? Huh? Gherkins. And do you have olives? Yeah, olives. We're home at lulutuin ko na ang lemon chicken. Pero before that, hello, Ethan. I must have my coffee first.
No.
Hi, good evening. For dinner tonight, I'm gonna attempt to cook this 1-pan lemon roast chicken and asparagus. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description box. So, tingnan natin kung masarap ito. Tada! So, bumili na ako ng ingredients kanina. Hopefully, nakita sa vlog. Chicken, sabi doon ay boneless chicken breast. But, I don't like chicken white meat. So, bumili ako ng favorite namin ng aking mga anak. Chicken drumsticks. Then, lemon. Instead of potato, gagamit ako ng kamote, sweet potatoes for healthier version. I have asparagus here. At garlic. At sinabi doon itong herbs de Provence. I hope I pronounce it right. At salt and pepper and basil leaves. Okay, let's attempt to cook this one. Okay, ang unang step ay preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. So we have a fan oven. Instead of 180, 160 minus 20 degrees centigrade kasi pag fan oven. Okay. Preheat for 10 minutes. So, in a small bowl, combine the 50 ml of olive oil. I forgot to show earlier na kailangan pala ng olive oil. Olive oil. And then cloves of garlic, two cloves of garlic in the bowl, 3 lemons, so we need the zest of 3 lemons. We also need honey, 1 tablespoon. I hope this is enough. So 1 tablespoon of honey, and then the dried herbs. So basil, kailangan ng basil, tablespoon. So 2 tablespoon. I don't have a, so ganyan na lang ang basil. And then 2 tablespoon of the herbs de Provence. 1, 2. So mix. So our marinade earlier, Sabi, spread daw natin over the chicken. I made a recipe binder for this 2018. So, I'm gonna link it down below if someone is interested. And I'm gonna try to make new recipes, 1 to 2 new recipes every month. So, ayan. Sayang naman. Lose na lahat dyan. So, let's marinate this for a few minutes habang hinihiwa natin ang mga vegetables. So, itong kamote or sweet potato instead of potato lang. For a healthier version. Sawa na kami sa patatas. So, this is how it looks. Ito yung kinokopya ko na 1 pan lemon roast chicken and asparagus. Yan. Looks yummy. Sana ganyan din ang itsura niya at sana masarap siya. So, ang potatoes nila, they cut it lengthwise. So, i-cut din natin siyang lengthwise. Okay, so ready na ang kamote. So, dito sa sweet potato, separate nung iluluto muna pala. So, I drizzle some olive oil, I put it in the pan, then salt and pepper. Salt. We use Himalayan rose pink salt, mas healthy. And then a little pepper. Ooh. Tapos, thyme, we don't have thyme. So, I'm gonna put this in the oven just for 10 minutes. So, 10 minutes is up. I-add na natin ang kamote sa chicken. Tapos, ibabalik natin sa oven. Cook for 20 minutes again. Okay. Hindi siya kasya. But we'll make it work. We'll make it work. No, mga Filipino, maabilidad, di ba? So, ayan, I made it work. Pinagkasya ko. So, I'll bring this back to the oven for 20 more minutes. So, ayan, medyo brown-brown na siya. Instead of 20 minutes, I end up 40 minutes. Leaving it for 40 minutes kasi gusto nung husband ko yung medyo toasted or roasted yung labas. So, yeah, i-add na natin ang asparagus. Ang laki ng asparagus na to, loko. Ito lang kasi yung available eh. Sabi, mag-drizzle pa ng konting olive oil. And a bit of salt. A little bit of salt. And some pepper. Wow, madami. And then, back to oven for another 10 minutes. Ta-da! It's cooked. Time for taste test. Taste test, taste test. Taste test. Taste test. Let's see. It's fresh from the oven. It's 1 pot lemon chicken with asparagus. Yummy?
Sarap.
Yay!
Ayaw niya.
Thumbs up!
No! Thumbs down.
Sarap.
Ang sarap ng feeling na kahit hindi ka magaling magluto and then you come up with a really delicious meal and healthy pa siya. So, ilalagay ko yun sa aking favorite recipe. So, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you enjoy this type of video.
Leave a comment if you like it or don't like it. And don't like it. That's kidding. Goodbye.